Hey ladies, welcome back or welcome to your first Lisa class. This is the third session and we're going to create a paper-pieced character. Typically Lisa, so yeah. For this layout, I wanted to create a snowman. And just so you know, don't do what I'm doing here because I used the wrong paper. You will need to use the white paper to do your snowman, not the blue one. I cut out all of my pieces and then I was like, oh no, what have I done? But I will manage to put this blue paper back almost exactly like it was. And you won't see anything in the end result. Let's say I also edited the photo a little bit later to make everything disappear. But yeah, I was like, no, what have I done? I wanted this blue paper in the background as a sky with snow, and then I wanted my snowman in white. Yeah. That's when you have your head in the clouds. So, yeah. You can use the template to cut out all of your pieces, the scarf, the snowman, the hat, everything. So as you can see here, I pieced the blue paper back together. And yeah. Okay, so I'm adhering the scarf onto white paper and then I am stitching the whole thing. If you don't want to stitch, no worries. You don't have to, but I wanted to do that. So yeah, I'm adhering the body, then the scarf is second, and then the third thing is the head. And I'm always using thicker foam to adhere. The body I use liquid glue, for the body liquid or foam tape. Double-sided tape. Then for the scarf, foam tape, and for the head, foam dots, which are super thick. And then for the hat, I am also using foam dots, I think. So yeah, I'm just adding this middle part on the hat to have, this typical ribbon around the hat. I am distressing the hat a little bit, adding it or adhering it to white paper and doing the same as with the scarf. I am stitching with a normal back stitch. And then cutting out. You always need to leave a border when you cut out, and don't make the mistake of cutting out before you stitch because your paper will rip and you will be super, super bothered by it. Yeah, using the rest of my foam dots there to adhere the hat. Then I cut out the eyes of the same paper as the snowman. That's the pupil of the eye. Not the pupil, the iris. Of course, it's the iris, not the pupil. Then I am using a gray bluish distress oxide to add some detail around the head, around the eyes to make them stand out more, and also the body. That's the pupil that I'm drawing on there with a black pen. And then I'm cutting out a cute little nose. For the mouth, I drew some dots to create this mouth shape, but I didn't like how I did it. So later in the final picture, don't tell anyone, I edited all of the mistakes that I made here in this layout. I edited the mouth and I placed the dots a little bit somewhere else because I didn't like that the mouth was that low on the head. I am backing my photo using a green paper, and then I distress the edges also. And then begins, I'm sorry, but on this layout in this video, you will see that I go back and forth and do a little bit here and do a little bit there because I was not sure exactly how I wanted it, and I had some ideas, and then I wanted to do this and that, and I went through my embellishments and stuff. So just take a look at the final picture so you don't make mistakes. So I added this base there on the bottom by ripping the green paper. I added the sticker on the head, and then I used my distress oxides to you can't say draw, to, I don't know what you could call this, but to create clouds in the sky. But I wanted some white clouds too, so I took the white paper plater and then I cut out some clouds too. I used this all this bright sticker, and here I am drawing some clouds, and you can use the same clouds as in the first session, but you can draw your own, and I encourage you to draw your own clouds. It's always cool to have something that is different from all of the other layouts and that is individual. So here I am tracing a half cloud because I wanted it to get to get out of the paper or the page. Here I'm drawing my, not stencils, Lisa, why can't I never remember that word? It's a template. So adding some stickers here and there. I love all of the flowers and stuff on the hat. And then, I'm adhering my photo, checking if it's straight. And then I wanted to, to create a title, but I didn't really know how exactly. And I absolutely wanted to use those gloves hanging out from, like the scarf, they would hang there on the snowman, and then he can wear them if he wants to, but yeah. And then I am adding some stickers from that 6x12 paper stickers or cardstock stickers. And I will, just go back and forth, changing some things and placing them differently, and So you should not adhere everything exactly as you see it here. Just check the final picture if you're not sure, because I'm changing stuff up. Then I'm adding more stickers. And the gloves, where can I put those? There, I think this will be the final placement. I'm not sure yet. I wanted to add some more of the red at the bottom. So here I go, adding the red. adding some highlights in the eyes, and on the scarf, on the nose. There I added the gloves, and yeah, some more snowflakes and stars, and then the sequins. Of course, I wanted to use some more sequins because the sequins are so beautiful. They are so shiny, and I love those. Some more stars, snowflake stickers, and some more sequins. And as you can see, I created like these kind of little clusters. Oh, it's done. It's done. Bye.